Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. This is a 12-inch MDF board. Let's get started with the dot mandala. I'm going to place a circular mirror in the center. So let me place the Fevicol first. This is the circular mirror. Let me place it now. Once I place the mirror, I'll give a gentle press so that the Fevicol gets spread and the mirror gets stuck on the board firmly. I'll dot with golden yellow now. Now I'll keep tiny yellow dots. Now I'll keep some greenery dots. Now I'll keep tiny green dots. Now I'll keep some brown dots. Now I'll keep tiny brown dots. I'm going to place some mirrors now, so let me place the Fevicol first. I'll place the mirrors now. As usual, when you place a mirror on Fevicol, give a gentle press. And when you give a gentle press, if Fevicol seems to be coming out, you don't worry about it. When it is dry, it's not going to be seen at all. Now that I finished placing the mirrors, let's move on to the next step. I'll keep some yellow dots now. Now I'll walk the dots. I'll keep some greenery dots now. Now I'll walk the dots in greenery. I'll keep some brown dots now. Now I'll walk the dots in brown. Now I'll keep a straight swipe in yellow. First a dot and then drag it to a swipe. I'll drag these dots into swipes now. I'll keep some greenery dots now. I'll keep some brown dots now. Now I'll keep 2 side swipes in yellow for all these brown dots. I'll keep some brown dots now. Now I'll keep some greenery dots. Now I'll walk the dots in greenery. Now I'll walk the dots using brown. Now I'll keep straight swipe in yellow. As usual, I keep a dot and drag it to a swipe. I'll drag these dots into swipes now. Now I'll keep 2 side swipes in greenery. I'll drag these dots into swipes now. This dot mandala came out really well. Thank you for watching this video.